is awesome. Welcome back to Deliberate Lives. I'm Di, and we've been working on getting the electrical box in for the pump up here at the well.
How much more space do we have to go?
Probably 6 inches. Mike is in the process of installing the power box for that will power the well pump. So he cut the conduit off, we put in the box, and we had to pound it down to the right level. We went a little too far, so we had to pull it back up a little bit, but that's all right. He's in the process of drilling holes in the cover that will go over those 2 conduits. Mike was drilling holes in it. He got the holes drilled and the conduit installed, so it's ready for us to wire everything up in there. Exciting news. The painting is done of all the steel. I am way excited. You're probably not, but I am way excited because, you know, that's a lot of painting. I'm glad it's done. In our videos, when we're looking out our front window, you've probably seen the dead tree limb that's been laying right below that tree right there for forever. Well, it's now in the dump trailer. Thanks to my father-in-law for chopping it up. I'm gonna haul it away today. I've been excavating the last few days, and I have 2 really big hills of dirt. I've gotten back to the pink tag right there and across there. And then I just have kind of this area over here still to go. You can see the pink tag up on that tree, so a bit to go. Anyway, I'm just digging it out, and then we'll load it up and move it. In the process of putting more dirt down here to flatten this area right here by the container out, because that's where our solar array is going to be, and we'd like it to be flat underneath the solar array, just make it easier to build it and everything else. So I'm working on that, and taking the dirt from our pit over here, that's going to be our shopping garage, loading it with the excavator into the truck trailer, and then backing it down the ramp that I widened yesterday. I got tired of it being narrow and making me nervous as I was backing up. So anyway, so it's much wider now, which is great because you can see my tire tracks right over there by that edge. So anyway, it's been really good having it wider. it's like from being in here. Okay, that's it. One time. That trailer is awesome. Over the last few days, we've been raising up this area right here to be level with container, because that's where we're going to put the solar array. And we're just about there. We're thinking we want to fill in this little trough right here potentially, and we got plenty of dirt, so we'll probably do that. It's a really windy day, so hopefully you can hear me. But the excavation for our garage and shop is pretty well complete. I mean, there's some cleanup that still needs to be done, and you can see it's higher, but that won't matter much because we gotta dig out 4 foot for footings and underneath the slab anyway, but that'll let it kind of sit for the winter like that. And anyway, it's pretty exciting. It's taking shape. Another day of adventures is over. Thanks for watching. Remember, live life deliberately.